Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to open the Google Play Store on Chromecast. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So we're going to hop over to quick settings and then all settings. So from all settings, we'll move over to apps and then you want to go down until you find see your apps. So this see your apps right here, click on it. Then you go down to the bottom of this list where you're going to find the show system apps. From show system apps, you scroll down this list. It's an alphabetical list. So it's the list in alphabetical order. Go on to CG and you find the Google Play Store right there. So click on Google Play Store and you can open. So open the app and that launches the Google Play Store. From here you can search, you can install any app you want. You can use a voice search, you can use the keyboard to search, and there you have it. So that's how you access the Google Play Store on Chromecast. If that was useful, subscribe to the channel for content just like this, and I'll see you with more tips and tricks in the next video.